Guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today we have a beautiful CJ500 long chassis vehicle with us for alteration work with us, and this is going to be restored at Jeep Zone Bangalore. You can just have a look at this vehicle. So I'm just going to overview and just give you the basic guidelines what is going to be the alteration of this vehicle. You can just check out. So this customer's demand is the vehicle has to be with matte black finishing, and his demand is it should look like a rugged vehicle. So right now we have added Mirage 31 into 10.5 into 15 empty tires. So you can just have a look at these tires, and also off-road rims on this. We have added the LED lights on this, both the sides. This is available with Minda as well as Hella. Right now we have added the Minda company LED lights, round ring lights, and also we have upgraded the vehicle with power steering. And you can just check how beautiful the vehicle is looking. And we have already added the Mahindra rock sliders in this. And regarding the interiors, there's no much to say about interiors. This is a 4x4 vehicle, and we have added a brand new Bolero steering in this. And the grills are being added, and also the work is going on. Customer demand us to make a sofa on this. So all 5 tires are 31 into 10.5 into 15 tires. And also there is a new tire carrier added in this. It's a custom made tire carrier which has been added. You can just have a look at it. And this will be removed from here. And all the support will be on the tire carrier at the moment. And the next work will be the tarpaul work, which has to be completed at the moment. And also the customer demand was to add the interiors with a good color, with a tarpaul matching color. And also Innova seats will be added backside. For any kinds of Jeep modifications, like old Jeeps like CJ500, CL500, 540s, 550s, Bolero, Thar, any kinds of modification or mechanical repair, you can just contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel, and please follow our channel every day for the updates. So soon this complete finishing video will come out. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos which are coming in our channel on daily basis. Thank you and have a great day.